Howdy, welcome back to this channel where we have a reading from the Jamaican New Testament at 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning. Don't forget to leave a like, share and drop a comment. We really want to hear from you. Today we're going to read from Matthew chapter 5 and I'm going to read from verse 21 to 24. Let's hear what it says. Uno know say them when tell uno father them say, no kill nobody. And nobody will kill nobody. Them a go a courthouse and the judge a go say them guilty and write them off. But hear what me a say. Just vex with uno brother or uno sister and uno have to go a court and the judge a go say uno guilty and write uno off. And anybody was shame them brother or sister and tell them how them workless and them sitting there, uno go have to go at the top judge them. And anybody will call them brother or sister one workless good for nothing fool, hellfire go reach them. So hear me then. If uno go at the altar go give uno offering and uno member say uno brother or sister begs with uno about sitting, uno left uno offering at the altar. No give it up yet. Come make it up with uno brother or sister first and then come back. Come give uno offering. And God would say that. Thank God.